So the first thing you want to do is you want to go into your settings, and then you want to go over here to where it says System. And then right here in System Software, you get two options of System Software Update and Settings and System Feature Updates. They're actually two separate things. So when we go into System Software Update Settings, this should be set to automatic, up to date already. But you can go ahead and double check it. You can update using internet, update using USB, depending if internet available. And you can download the files automatically and install the files automatically as well too. And this is basically geared towards the actual system software itself. So everything in terms of like the operating system, everything runs on the PlayStation 5 here. Now, what isn't automatic is system feature updates. And these are updates that kind of trickle down that you have to manually check, which you go right down here to go to system feature updates. It'll go out to the internet, check to see if it has any available. And if we do have any available, we'll go ahead and either download that. You can see right here, update some system features, the latest version. You need to restart your PS5. You select install later, the updates will be installed the next time you start your PS5. But let's go ahead and do a restart and install right here of this, since we do have some feature updates to install. All right, once that reboot completes, we can go back here into settings and we'll go down to system. And you can see right here, we go to system feature updates. We'll click on that. We'll see if there's any more updates available. This should come back saying that the latest updates for the system are already applied and we're good to go. We just got to give it a few minutes here. Yep, latest version of all system features are installed. So that's basically the two ways to update your PS5 to make sure you have all the latest updates and features available. Be sure to check out all our other PS5 tips and tricks right here in this playlist, and I'll catch you in the next video.